One of the greatest things we can do is to convert a hog out into a casting, and this is really good when there are large quantities of hog outs and very expensive to machine, and we can turn it into the casting and we can save our customers some money. Hi, I'm Bobby Bergman, Regional Sales Manager West for Kovach Castings. We do precision investment castings. What sets us apart from other investment casters is that we offer quality parts, on-time delivery, and excellent customer service. This is a latch housing we make for one of our primary customers, and you can see by looking at it the complex shapes and geometry, very thin wall. These are the kind of complex parts that we can do very well. We can take a machining drawing and we can look at it and tell you how it could be a really good casting. We have a top engineering staff located at our facility. We have this particular part is a military part. It's used in communications, and it is 2 castings that we have manufactured with a pin to make one part. We also offer in-house machining as a value-added service. We're ISO, we're AS9100, we're NADCAP, and ITAR. Our size range is from very small, for instance, this is a small part, up to about 15 inches and 22 pounds. Materials are all ferrous and non-ferrous alloys, which would be steels, stainless steels, carbon steels, aluminum, Hastelloy, cobalt, brass. We can always offer secondary processes such as passivation, painting. It's excellent if it's in the design stages where we can look at it and say, if you make these changes, it makes it a very good casting for us. Or if it's already a part that's being hogged out, we can look at it and say, you could do something simple and it would be a good casting, or nothing and it would be a good casting. Okay. This is a brass part that we do for the Navy. The tough part of it is, if you look at the configuration on the inside, there's a lot of different geometries involved in this part that make it a good investment casting. If there's a lower quantity, let's say 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, investment casting can offer a better product because the tooling will be a little less expensive, the part piece will be a little more expensive, whereas if you have a die casting, your tooling is going to be very expensive, but your piece price will be less, and if you don't have the quantity, it would not be cost effective to go with the die casting.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.